May face nitong quarantine period na everyone was making their own workstations. And syempre, ano din, parang, di ba parang nakakatuwa rin panoorin yung mga videos na yun. And to a point, you got to think to yourself na, solid naman nun, parang gusto ko ng sarili kong workstation na ganun ka-solid din. So, pagdating sa stuff na sa pagbuo ko ng workstation ko, actually nakakatuwa kasi before nag-start lang ako, magkakapatong lang na ganito. With this one, yung mga storage boxes. Dati mga workstation ko, 2, 3. Tapos patong ko lang yung laptop. Tapos ganun na ako mag-work before. Of course, habang habang ko paraming tasks, I figured out na hindi pwedeng hindi ganito permanente yung workstation ko. Ang hirap nung set, baklas kabit each time I need to bounce to and from work. So I decided to make my own workstation. Syempre inisip ko rin yung kailangan budget meal lahat, kailangan affordable. So I'll walk you through what I have on my desk, and hopefully you could pick something up. So this is where I do most of my work during the day. We'll start with the table. So yung table, ano lang naman siya, yung usual plastic table pag may birthday party. Ito yung pinakamura na nakita ko online Kasi noong una, syempre inisip ko, parang solid yung mga, Sizzle, maganda yung table niya dun sa kabila kasi yung kahoy talaga. But I just thought na ito, mas mura. Tapos kung kaya niya magbuhat ng maraming pansit, siguro kaya niya magbuhat ng workstation. So kaya yun yung pinili kong table. Well, mukhang may malaking screen ako na solid, pero just to share with you. So this is a 32-inch TV na kuha ko lang siya technically as a barter trade, na had a friend who had an excess of TVs in their house kasi nung bumili siya ng fridge, may libreng TV din. So parang may extra TV sila sa bahay. So pabiro ko lang sinabi na gusto mo trade tayo, kunin ko yung TV mo na extra. Tapos I'd be trading that one for sessions with you for workouts. Tapos yun, good ako pumayag. And sa akin naman, di ba? Okay, sa akin blessing. So doon din naman pupunta di ba? You get money from work and then you buy something with the money that you earn from work. So, kumbaga, we cut the middleman. So I did work and traded it for the actual thing that I could be buying in the future. So, yun yung kwento ng TV na to. So, technically, parang wala ako talagang ginastos for this one. Oras siguro. But yeah, you know what I mean. So, yung laptop, this one's company issue. This is a Lenovo G4030. So, hindi siya talaga yung parang, hindi siya solid na laptop. Pero it's good enough, strong enough to be able to run Google Sheets. Para sa akin, Google Sheets, Google Drive, nakakapag-internet ka naman. Medyo kaya niya naman mag-YouTube. So, yun. So, kapag naglalagay ako ng info dun sa YouTube studio, yan yung gamit ko, gumagana naman, that works. So I tried it with Zoom, nag-crash siya. So it's not that strong enough. Pero yeah, it works already. Tapos ang ginawa ko na lang, naka-extended screen siya dito sa TV. So kapag nag-group class ako, mas nakikita ko yung videos ng mga students ko. So, mas madali kong na-check yung form ng mga tao habang nag-workout. So far, gumagana naman sa Google Hangouts yung laptop. So, buhay, okay? So, naitatawid din. Yun, may mas malakas akong device dito, and mostly ito naman talaga yung kumakarga ng lahat, yung iPad ko. So dito mostly ako kumukuha, nag-edit. So sino kumukuha ng video ngayon? I use my phone sometimes for videos. So solid na bili ko dito is yung bar na stand. Basically kapag kailangan ko or hindi, tatabi ko lang siya sa side. So mas madali siyang i-move. You can move it 3-dimensional because of that arm stand. And dun din, may isa pang arm stand din. Nandun naman yung mic, yung BM800 ko. Ito yung ginagamit ko for like meetings and talks and yun, for the podcast as well. Okay? So, yun yung ginagamit ko rin. So, sobrang solid na may hawakan siya. Ang maganda doon is mura ko lang siya nabili. Yung stand sa iPad na may solid na base, nasa around 500 lang. Tapos yung sa mic, combo na siya eh. Nakuha ko na yung mic, yung V8, saka yung hawakan nasa around 2.5. Pwede na rin, di ba? Budget meal kung budget meal. So solid din tong V8 sound card na nakuha ko sa sa Lazada rin. So siya, parang gusto ko to kasi yun nga, parang may sariling controls yung volume mo. So pwede kang mag-play ng background music habang nagtuturo ng class. So of course, nung nag-SNC ako sa mga kids before, kung gusto nila ng music, pwede ako mag-play ng music for them. Pasok ko lang dyan, lahat sila naririnig nila yung music, yung background music at the same time. So, na-edit din yung music and meron din siyang sound effects built in. So, hindi mo na kailangan kunwari mag-extra software. Yun na kaagad, gumagana na siya right away. And this is how it would usually look like when I'm doing my personal training session. So basically, I lift my iPad up there, so it's got a great view of me. And when I need to demonstrate some exercises, it's got a good angle when it comes to my workout area. So I can easily demonstrate any of the exercises that I would be teaching. So what you're hearing right now is audio coming from my BM800 mic, which is connected to a newer Phantom Power, which is also connected to your V8 sound cards. So basically, you just get the clear sound out of it and you get good audio quality. I like playing around with the sound card as well because you could like tweak it a little bit. I could add echo when it comes to the voice, and I could also play around with some presets like say a joke. You get that laughing sound right there, and yeah, some applause for everyone. Or I can also play around with some voice filters. Hello.
This is gonna work. Oh, there you go. There's a change of my voice right there.
And hello, if I want to go deeper, this is gonna work this way.
And if I need some auto-tune, this could work as well. I like the bartender, tagahalo ng drinks. So as for peripherals, lang naman, kumuha lang ako ng yung pinakamurang mechanical keyboard na makukuha ko at yung pinakamurang mouse na makukuha ko. So, ba't ako kumuha ng gaming, no? Well, iniisip ko kasi na parang kung gaming, so iniisip ko lang kasi kung nagsusurvive sa computer shop to na gagalit yung mga tao habang spacebar or something. So, matagal siya. So, iniisip ko na matibay siya, na maglalast siya ng matagal. So, yun yung idea ko. Kung mali pala ako, sabihin nyo lang sa akin dyan sa baba, sa comment section. Okay lang naman. Hindi ako ma-offend. At least, diba? You learn something new every day. Course, meron akong ultra-wide mousepad. Kasi inisip ko solid siya eh. Pero yun nga, hinanap ko pa rin yung pinakamura. So, hindi rin ako namili ng design. So, kung ano yung pinakamura ko ako, so meron dito parang map of the world, 'di ba, na tapos 90 pesos ko lang siya nakuha again sa Lazada. So solid din, 'di ba? So inisip ko na lang na parang sinadya siya, 'di ba? Parang you have the world at the palm of your hands, 'di ba? Solid, 'di ba? Pagkatapos ng work, solid siya kasi after ko mag-work, itatabi ko na lang 'to. Yung naalala niyo itong laptop stand, yung laptop and monitor stand na inayos ko from the last video. So yan na siya ngayon. So kaya niyang suportahan yung TV, which is sa akin sobrang solid. So lahat ng cables nandun sa side, nakapasok siya dito sa parang may cable organizer box ako. So nandun lahat yon. So medyo hindi siya makalat sa table. At the same time sa ilalim, kasi naglalagay din akong gamit sa ilalim. So lahat yan naka-organize para hindi magulo at hindi nalikabukan yung mga wires, yung mga cables. And meron ako ditong, it's 4K Ultra HD na splitter. Tapos naman siya, parang pwede siyang tatlong input. Ang gustong-gusto ko sa kanya is parang automatically nagde-detect siya ng signal. So, let's say, kunwari, tapos na ako mag-work. Kunin ko lang yung controller ko ng PS4. So, yung PS4 nakakonect din siya sa TV dun sa HDMI. So, dahil nag-auto-detect siya, so pag in-on ko yung PS4, ayan, nag-on na yung PS4. So, sobrang solid siya para sa akin. And ang maganda doon, yung splitter, hindi ko siya masyadong ginastusan. Parang, ang bili ko lang sa kanya, parang 230 pesos lang. Tapos, you get something as solid as this one. Napansin ko to sa mechanical keyboard, medyo masakit din siya sa wrist after a while. So, to help out, medyo kailangan mo rin pala ng palm rest para dun sa mechanical keyboard. So, to help myself out, actually sobrang simple lang ng solusyon ko dun. Meron akong mga power bank. Tapos ginagamit ko yung power bank as palm rest. Kasi di ba, kamukha niya yung palm rest eh. So, does the job and it's double purpose. So, pwede solid naman siya. And ayun naman, sa akin, if it does the job and you use the least amount of money, that's the best thing that you can have. Ayun din, gusto ko rin magkaroon ng desk na may parang shelves sa side. Pero, syempre, dagdag gastos na naman yun. Eh, meron na akong shelf. Yung shelf ko before na nakikita nyo usually sa mga older videos ko, nilagay ko lang siya dito sa tabi. So, ngayon, mas katabi ko na yung books ko. So, kapag kailangan ko lang ng resources, quick. Kapag ka nagtuturo, pag gumagawa ng programs, kuha lang ako ng libro. Tapos, mas madali. Hindi nakakatamad maghanap ng sagot. I always remember that time when I was cleaning my room na my mom told me na, yeah, you might not have like the best stuff in the world, but you can always have a cool room if you like get things in order and fix things in a way that would be really of great help for you. So, yun yung inisip ko when I was fixing my desk. Hindi man kailangan super expensive lahat ng bagay. Of course, di ba? Wala naman choice eh, di ba? So, sa akin, limited ako ng budget. So, I worked within my budget. So, I got the best that I could get out of the stuff that I need. So, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick tour around my desk. Simple lang siya, but I mean, if I'm gonna spend majority of my day on this desk, might as well make the most out of it since majority of the day would be spent there. Alright, so ayun. So that's it for today's video. Thank you everyone for watching. Again, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Invite your friends. May questions kayo when it comes to fitness and health, feel free to write them down on the comment section down below. And if you like the shirt that you're seeing right now on your screens, you can check out our friends from Evolve Manila. You can check them out on their Instagram page. You can see that somewhere here around the screens. They make nice shirts. This one has this premium feel to it. It's not printed. It's actually embroidered, which I think is really awesome. Put extra detail on the stuff that they make. Again, check them out, Evolve Manila.